Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and big day today in the chat room. Huge day, and off some alerts from last week, and we'll cover one or two of them. But let's take a look at KONE. It was alerted yesterday at $3.20 as a little bit of action was coming into it. It caught up on one of our scans here, and it really became lucrative today. It was halted at one time for volatility trading, and 497 was the high from 320 so far. Broke the 200-day moving average on the daily, broke the middle Bollinger Band on the daily, and looks like it's going higher. Taking a look at the weekly here, broke the 50-day moving average, which is fantastic. Next stop is the middle Bollinger Band at 645. Taking a look at the monthly, pulled itself above the middle Bollinger Band. See if it can maintain it for this month of May. Taking a look at another one, ICLD. The big alert today in chat. Yes, we had that early, 350s, 360s in that area. And really, this thing got flying today. Big volume came into this. Nice bounce. Looks like some short covering was going on here. And, we got a nice little gap here right around 778. And that's just about the 50-day moving average. So if we can get through the pivots tomorrow morning, then we should be golden. So if you want to join us live for chat, milestonecapitalgrowthportfolio.com. We'll be managing all these trades. Taking a look at the weekly, we broke this candle. It looks really good here. Heading up here to where that is. It's 849 in that area. We could potentially get there if we can get a nice little bounce on this double bottom right here on the monthly. We could get some nice movement to the upside. So definitely time to keep an eye on ICLD. All right. Let's take a look at HK. HK is still going strong. All right, HK, we've been in this one since about 375. She's still been tracking up here very nicely. Had a nice cross here with the 50 and the 200, and started getting into a breakout mode today. Had a little resistance here at the 100-day moving average, as you can see, and that's where it stopped right now. But I don't think that's going to last very long. I think we're going to blow right through it, and then it's going to go into bull mode. What you're looking for on these things is after they consolidate in the bottom and they break out on the bottom, then you start to curl up to the upside. You are no longer in a downtrend. You are in an uptrend. So ride the wave. If you notice, getting very bullish on the monthly. If we can hold over this, then we will be in a whole new pattern. And this will be rocketing to the upside because we're very bullish when you get over the middle Bollinger Band on any given chart. So keep an eye on that. So IGC had a little action today. We want to keep an eye on that one. Nice spike above the 100, also above the 200, and it closed above the 200 on the daily. Thinly traded, so just be careful of this one. It's still in a consolidation period, has no full reversal to the upside yet, but might be worth a trade. Just keep an eye on it. Middle 50-day moving average on the weekly. Came in, acted a little bit as a resistance, pulled back down again, and taking a look here, you're at 98 cents. No big deal. So we'll keep an eye on that. TELK out of the gates today was a beast. TELK, she flew this morning. So right off the 50-day moving average, she gapped and go, and then pulled back down again. So that's the way this one trades. You can see from past experience, so if you look back at some of these and how these big hammers form, then you don't want to you don't want to jump in when it's at 190 because you see what's going to happen from past experience. So let it settle and then buy it, or just pass it and let it go unless you catch it early enough in the morning. So, but we did break the 100-day moving average on the weekly, so it's something to keep an eye on here. If we can get going, we can definitely get going because there's some you get some tops over here, 309 with the 100-day on the monthly. So in relative strength index at 54, plenty of room to go there. GORO, and then I'll take a look at one more after that. GORO came up, hit its head on some resistance, 50 in the 100, pulled back down again, and came into check. So, but it was a nice dead cat bounce. But you might have the double bottom on the weekly. We'll see what happens. See if we can break this 489. That's key. If we can break the 489 on GORO, then we're going to get going higher to the upside. If not, then we're going to go lower. So looking at GORO, it was up here at $30, came down here to $27, and then ever since this 2161 double top here, we just rolled on the monthly. So every month it's getting worse and worse. So, but it is getting oversold. As you can see, we are at 9. That's very bad. That's about as oversold as you can get. So see if GORO can start turning around here and some of these shorts start to cover and we get pushing to the upside. Don't know much about the company, but it's worth a look if we can bounce. NFEC, another one today. Big move here off this double bottom. Popped right up, hit the 150, and then pulled back down at the 50-day moving average. Taking a look at you have the double bottom here. sitting at right around 90 something, 86 cents. Had a nice move to the upside today, as still has a resistance here at the 100-day moving average, so keep an eye on that. But you're in a downtrend. You're still in this broken pattern consolidation area, so until it breaks out of this pattern, you're just going to be chilling out and going with the flow. But we'll see what happens. Keep an eye on NFEC, because if it can get going, it could really get going. All right, I want to give a hats off to Ray, who's been he nailed this the other day. GMCR, most of the members were in calls because of this bullish setup that he put on a forum. Yes, all the charts are on the forum. And it proceeded to get some news and broke out. His target was 119, and it hit it in 5 days. It hit 123 actually, and then pulled back a little bit, not too much, but just keep an eye on GMCR. It was a great alert by a bullish chart setup. So great charts on the on Ray's blog on the forum. So make sure you stay. You stay looking at those. He has just put up two more today. I'm going to go over those in the members' videos, and they look really, really good. All right, this is Matt. See you in live chat tomorrow. Make some more money. And members, great video tonight. Some beautiful follow-up on some of our trades, and also 2 or 3 new ones that you really want to keep your eye on. All right, have yourself a great night.